so that you have enough to look at, we got two gentlemen out here. Remember, this is called the Easy Plattler. Now, ladies, you should watch these guys because that's what you're going to be judging against. We got one more young man's pants to roll up, and once we get that done, we'll be ready. Okay, it seems like we're ready. And if our gentlemen are ready to demonstrate, remember, this is the Easy Plattler. Auf geht's. Now, gentlemen, watch this. This is what you're going to have to do. See how easy it is? See how easy it is? This is named after the Isar River, which flows through Munich, my hometown. Okay? See how easy it is? So we'd like to get contestant number 1 out to try it. That's you. You've got the boots on. Cowboy boots. All right. We're ready. Now face the judges, because those are the folks you have to impress. They're the ones that are going to judge if you're the winner or not. Okay. Auf geht's.